Hey everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, really happy. Before we start, can we ask you something small?
Just one small favor.
If you like learning English with simple, real conversations,
Please help us by subscribing to this channel.
it really helps us grow.
And it helps us make more easy English videos for you.
Okay, thank you so much. Now let's begin.
Oh, we forgot something important.
Oh yes, introductions.
My name is Emma. I'm from the USA.
And I'm Alex. I'm also from the USA.
We're just two friends talking in simple English.
Slow English, easy English.
English for beginners.
So, Emma, how is your day going so far?
It's okay. Not amazing, not bad, just okay.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
I woke up a little tired today.
Same here. I didn't sleep very well last night.
Oh no, why?
I was thinking too much.
Thinking is dangerous sometimes.
Yes, my brain doesn't know how to stop.
What were you thinking about?
Life, work, goals, everything.
Ah, the big stuff.
Yeah, sometimes it feels heavy.
I understand that.
That actually connects to our topic today.
Yes, it does.
Motivation.
Motivation in simple English.
Motivation for beginners.
Motivation for real life.
Emma, can I ask you something honest?
Of course.
Do you always feel motivated?
Oh no, never.
Never?
No, not at all.
That makes me feel better.
Good, because motivation is not magic.
True.
Some days I feel strong.
And some days?
Some days I feel lazy or sad or tired.
Yeah, same.
I think many people believe this idea,
What idea?
that successful people are always motivated.
Oh, yes.
But that's not true.
Not true at all. I remember when I was learning Spanish.
Oh, really?
Yes, I wanted to learn so badly.
Were you motivated every day?
No way.
I knew it.
Some days I was excited.
And other days?
Other days I didn't want to study at all.
What did you do on those days?
Sometimes nothing.
Honest answer.
But sometimes I did something very small,
Like what?
like listening to one song in Spanish
Oh, that's nice.
or watching a short video.
That sounds easy.
And that's important.
Yes, very important.
Motivation doesn't mean doing big things,
It can be small things.
very small things.
I want to talk to you, our listener, for a moment.
Yes, directly to you.
If you are learning English right now,
And you feel tired
or slow,
or frustrated,
that's okay.
you are normal.
I remember my first job.
Oh, tell us.
I was very young,
How old?
about 21.
Wow.
I felt scared every day,
Scared of what?
making mistakes,
Oh, yes.
speaking in meetings.
That's hard.
I thought everyone was better than me.
Were they?
No, but my brain told me they were.
Our brains can be very mean.
Yes, very mean. One day, I wanted to quit.
Really?
Yes, I sat in my car and cried.
Oh, wow.
I felt like I was not good enough.
What happened next?
I called my mom.
Moms are the best.
Always. Mom said something simple.
What did she say?
Just go back tomorrow. One more day.
That's powerful.
Yes, not forever, just one more day.
I like that idea.
Me too.
Motivation for one day
Or even 1 hour.
or 5 minutes.
When you learn English, don't say, I will be fluent tomorrow.
Say, I will practice for 10 minutes today.
That feels possible.
Yes, very possible.
Sometimes I talk to students.
What do they say?
They say, my English is bad.
Oh, that makes me sad.
Me too.
Your English is not bad.
It is growing.
Like a small plant.
You need water and time.
Not stress.
Yes, less stress.
Do you remember learning to walk?
No, but I've seen babies.
Me too.
They fall a lot.
A lot.
But they don't say, I quit.
True.
They stand up again.
And again.
And again.
And again.
Learning English is the same.
You will fall.
You will make mistakes.
Big mistakes.
Funny mistakes.
Embarrassing mistakes. I once said something very wrong in English.
But English is your first language.
I know.
Tell us.
I wanted to say I'm excited,
Okay.
but I said something very strange.
Oh no.
Everyone laughed.
That's okay.
I felt embarrassed for 1 minute.
And
Then I laughed too.
that's the best way. Mistakes are teachers.
Yes, free teachers.
Sometimes a little rude.
Yes,
Motivation comes from kindness.
kindness to yourself.
Don't say, I'm stupid.
Say, I'm learning.
Big difference.
Let's do a small motivation exercise.
Ooh, I like this.
Okay, listener, think for a moment.
Why do you want to learn English?
For work,
For travel?
for confidence.
For fun?
Pause.
Take a deep breath.
Remember that reason.
Keep it close to your heart.
Emma, what motivates you today?
Honestly,
Yes,
helping people.
that's nice.
When someone says, I understand now,
That feels good.
very good.
For me, motivation is progress,
Even small progress?
especially small progress.
I agree. Sometimes motivation is quiet,
Not loud music,
not big speeches.
just a calm voice saying, keep going.
Yes, if today is hard,
It's okay to rest.
rest is not quitting.
It's part of the journey.
Tomorrow, try again.
Or later today.
One small step,
One word.
one sentence.
And remember, you are not alone.
We are here with you.
This channel is for you.
Simple English.
Real conversations.
Before we finish,
Yes?
let's remind them.
Ah, yes.
If this conversation helped you feel a little bit better,
Or a little more motivated.
please subscribe to the channel.
And like this video.
It really supports us.
Okay, Emma. Final thought.
Motivation is not about being perfect,
It's about not giving up.
even when it's slow.
Even when it's hard.
You are doing better than you think.
Yes, you really are.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye for now.